preferred alternative. And within that range, we have four different policies that occur, which I've named before, so I won't read them off for you again. But this shows the wealth of information that you can obtain in between the first policy and the last policy. Again, the first and the last policy are very easy to get, but there's so much more going on in between that's of considerable interest and value that one should not really leave out the risk-averse analysis if one knows how to do it. Okay, so that's what we're doing here, is learning how to fill in between the one end of the spectrum and the other end of the spectrum to find out exactly what's going on in between, so that we can put those on the table if the risk tolerance estimate indicates that we are in that range where these are appropriate. Okay, so having done that, I guess we can look at a couple of the graphs here that go along with this analysis. For example, the plot of the CEVSI. This is the cash equivalent value of sample information. In this case, it looks very much like the CEVPI. Remember that the expected value of sample information, or the cost of information rather, was at 34.5, which is the red line. And initially, for small risk tolerances, the value is deemed to be less than that. But as soon as we get to the critical point here, I believe it was around 72 or something. I didn't fill this one in with